I'm super excited. Look what came today. It is the Facetory 7 Lux subscription where they give you guys 7 different masks as well as a bonus item for $19. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I'll take that title. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Natural Goddess palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I have going on. All the information will be in the description box down below. We're also going to be doing a giveaway in this video. We're going to give away one of the items in here. I don't know what's in here yet. I haven't even opened it. So rules for my giveaway, 2 rules that are very easy and important. Number one, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check and watch this video in its entirety, and we'll get into the rest of how you can enter it in a little bit. So Facetory is a K-beauty subscription box. You should, their 7 Lux is every month for $19, and it's just a way to sit back, relax, and spend a little pamper you time. You know, take 5-10 minutes, do 1 a week. Some of the masks are $2, you guys. Just take some time for yourself. I can't stress how important that is. I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks and let you know what I think. So a bunch of these masks help me do my masking videos. So let's dive in, see what's in here. It's stuck to part of my hair. Here. Let's see what's in here. So it comes with this cute little card. It says 7 Lux. Yay, it's June. This month you'll find sheet masks that will help calm your skin with soothing and hydrating ingredients like Cica, honey, watermelon extract, and more. Let's take time to enjoy the sweetness of life. So the first product in here is Dewytree. It is the Cica 100 mask, and it's a super gentle and extra satisfying sheet mask that is 100% Centella Azteca extract. This mask will help hydrate, heal, and protect your precious skin barrier. It does retail for $3. Why we love it. This extra calming mask only contains Centella Azteca. This mask doesn't leave our skin feeling sticky or tacky afterwards. Best of all, it's super lightweight and feels amazing on the skin. The key ingredient is obviously that Centella Azteca extract, a gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps speed up the skin's healing process and evens out complexion. Next product in here is from Yadah. It is the Under the Sea Mask Pack. This sheet mask helps boost skin elasticity and deeply hydrates the skin. Why they love it. This mask doesn't irritate our skin and feels super relaxing. It has a thick cotton material that hugs our skin perfectly and ensures the essence is locked in. It does retail for $3.50. 2 of the key ingredients are Hydrolyze F fucodine, derived from algae. This ingredient helps moisture calm and brighten the skin. It also has Chlorella vulgaris extract, a skin conditioning ingredient that contains anti-aging benefits. Sorry, the neighbor just started to mow outside, so if you hear a little buzzing sound, that's what it is. From Elishacoy is the Lift Up Mushroom Mask Sheet. Is a skin protecting sheet mask that provides the skin with anti-aging benefits, smooths, moisturizes, and strengthens your skin. Why we love it. In addition to this mask being extra moisturizing, it also does a great job of brightening our skin. We love using this mask at night so it wakes up smooth skin. Key ingredients. So this does retail for $3. Key ingredients are the tubular mineral sweat extract. This ingredient moisturizes and nourishes your skin and smooths out fine lines and wrinkles. It also has Cooper Triptide 1. The ingredient helps restore and protect skin barrier. It can also help reduce inflammatory and increase skin elasticity. It does have a protective barrier on the mask, so make sure to remove that before applying the mask to your face. From Purenskin is My Desire Paradise Pack, a lightweight and hydrating sheet mask that nourishes and revitalizes the skin. Why they love it. This mask has a gel-like texture and the mask material feels super soft. We love how relaxing this mask feels. Definitely a nice mask to use at night to replenish the skin. Retails for $2.50, you guys. Key ingredients are the Plumera rubera flower extract, a moisturizing ingredient that also contains anti-inflammatory properties to help minimize redness and irritation. It also has hibiscus serica flower extract, a skin balancing ingredient that helps renew the skin while controlling breakouts. So to use this one when you need to calm your face down a little bit. So by HaruHaru is the Wonder Maqui Berry Antioxidant Mask. It will help rejuvenate your complexion. The sheet mask provides our skin with a burst of nutrients. We notice our skin looks brighter and healthier after application. Two of the key ingredients are fermented Maqui berry packed with antioxidants. The ingredient helps brighten and protect the skin. It also has capsium anium fruit extract. The ingredient helps clarify and balance the skin. Seems like a lot of these are for balancing and kind of calming down your skin. This one has cute packaging. I wonder if it has a watermelon scent. This is from Holika Watermelon Sheet Mask. Brighten your skin with a watermelon infused sheet mask, perfect for skin pick-me-up, retails for $3. Why they love it? This sheet mask feels super gentle on our skin and gives our complexion a lovely radiance. Key ingredients are the citrus lentius, the watermelon fruit extract. This ingredient helps brighten the skin and also contains antioxidants to help protect the skin barrier. It also has apple fruit extract. The ingredient protects the skin from environmental damage and gently exfoliates the skin. Love the scent of watermelon. Ooh, here is a multi-step mask. This is from L'Oreal. It's a real vitamin C power mask. Now we are talking. This retails for $5. It is a 3-step sheet mask that contains vitamin C powder. The sheet mask will brighten tired, dull skin, leaving you with a radiant complexion. Why they love it. We love that the sheet mask contains multiple steps. It's like a treatment for our skin. This one combines an ampoule, vitamin C powder, and ultra comfortable sheet mask for the ingredients of an at-home spa experience. Key ingredients are ascorbic acid, yes please, a stable form of vitamin C. This ingredient brightens the complexion and helps fade dark spots. It also has Panax ginseng root extract, a moisturizing ingredient that helps with elasticity. Looking forward to this one. Looks like they threw in an extra mask because it's not here on the sheet. It is from BRTC. It is the Makeover Mask Empress. It does retail for $3. The perfect mask to use this month, the BRTC Empress Mask focuses on moisturizing, firming, and soothing. Key ingredients are the candida flower extract, a skin calming ingredient that adds in healing acne, irritation, and redness. So another calming one. The bonus items are usually all full size, like big products. So this one is from Elishacoy. It is My Balance pH Mist, retails for $15. And Balancing Facial Mist that helps hydrate your skin, keeping it healthy and plump. Why they love it. The pH Mist helps balance the skin and readjust the pH balance of our skin. Key ingredients are sodium chloride. This ingredient helps restore the skin and provide cleansing properties to remove impurities. And then here's what this looks like. So if I add everything up here, it's $41. I mean, your box costs $19. Really, really good day. I really, really like Facetory. They do amazing things with like these, you know, you do some of these masks for $2.50. You guys take a little time and enjoy. Sit back, relax, and spend a little time just pampering yourself. So be on the lookout for all of these in an upcoming masking review series. So I think we're going to give away in today's giveaway the Dewytree Cica 100 mask. So my giveaways are really easy. Like I said before, you must be a subscriber. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. I do all of my giveaways on a Google form. So just click the Google form link down below. Make sure to fill it out. And make sure at the bottom it asks for your YouTube name, so that way I can verify that yes, you are a subscriber. When I do pick the winner, I do a random number generator when I pick the winners. That way it is fair for everyone. My giveaways are open internationally. I love my international subscribers. And so, but I am not responsible for duties, fees, taxes, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that. YouTube is no way responsible for this giveaway. I purchased this on my own as a way to give back to you guys because I love giving back to my subscribers. Let's have this giveaway go through July 15th. On July 16th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner, notifying that they won and that their prize will be mailed out to them. I will also pin in the comments the winner's first name and first initial of the last name. So yes, you do know somebody always wins my giveaways. If you want 2 bonus entries on my giveaways, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAma, A-M-A, and the letter B. And also if you share this video on your social media, this will give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me. You guys like and subscribe. I've got some big giveaway planned for when we hit some huge milestones coming up, so help us get there. YouTube will now go ahead and put in a couple extra videos for you guys if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking them out. It helps me get my watch time minutes up, which I really need to do. I hope that you guys are staying safe and have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.